Hi, I'm Haley.
I'm Getty.
Hi, I'm Jay.
And I'm Steve. And we're the MIS group.
In today's globalized world, when human civilization is arguably the most educated it has ever been, we went out and asked university students a simple question. What is MIS?
I don't know.
MIS?
Yeah.
MIT?
MIS.
Oh, MIS.
I have some business friends, but so they talk about it all the time.
Is it something to do with consulting?
Management Information Systems.
What is that?
I have no idea.
This is not really that surprising. MIS is a relatively new major now existent in most universities, even here at the Mocombe School of Business. So what is MIS? Management Information Systems is the successful application and use of information technology for making improved strategic business decisions. It is literally the management of information systems. But what exactly is an information system? It is not only technology, it's the process and the people connected with it. It's not just the ATM, it is the entire transaction process. An information system is the people processing data using hardware and software. MIS is the successful management of these information systems at not only the ATM levels, but at all stages of every business. So why MIS? Money matters, and let us hit that first. MIS majors have the highest average starting salary in comparison to all other majors.
And the reason is, of course, supply and demand. We have more jobs than we have students graduating, so companies have to offer more money, they have to offer bonuses. One of the nice things about the kind of jobs we have is, let's say that if I'm an MIS student and I like finance, I can look for a job that is MIS but works with finance. And if I really like that job, I can move into the finance area. So we get a chance to move around them more than I think in other areas. And so that, I believe, is in fact unique.
High pay, high demand, and versatility.
What are management information systems? Well, according to Rainier and Turbin, they are systems that deal with the planning for, development, management, and use of information technology tools to help perform all tasks related to information processing and management. In layman's terms, a management information system simply helps manage the interactions between people and IT in business. This can be as simple as managing what types of hardware and software an employee interacts with to interacting on a global scale with a digitized supply chain.
One of the hot topics in the field of management information systems includes outsourcing. Outsourcing is the decentralizing of an operation that was previously done in-house. This means that a job that was originally done at a company's local headquarters are now being sent overseas. Companies do this because it can dramatically reduce their labor costs. Companies that have outsourced their IT departments have found that they have decreased their costs while increasing their flexibility due to the fact that they have the ability to afford better information systems. The business information systems are usually specifically tailored for the specific company needs. There are some downsides to outsourcing, of course. Of course, outsourcing costs local jobs, which hurts the local economy of the hometown where the business is located. One of the hidden costs of outsourcing the IT department is the lack of managerial control. The company that is contracted to outsource the IT department usually has one or more clients that is in charge of managing. This means that if a company needs IT help, they may have to wait longer to get that help that they need. Outsourcing can also lead to increased infrastructure costs, due to the need for sophisticated network solutions that allow overseas companies to control your company's systems.
One of the most exciting fields in business is management information systems. As technology continues to develop and change every day, the field of MIS also changes. MIS is a part of all business fields. For example, if you liked accounting, you could specialize in working with computer accounting systems. MIS allows you to shape your degree to the specific field that you would like to work in also. There are many high-level positions for MIS majors. Currently, there are lots of jobs for MIS majors. They are in very high demand, thus companies are offering very high salaries. MIS is a very exciting field and continues to grow.
There are quite a few entry-level positions that MIS majors may jump into, but the more popular ones include project manager, IT manager, business analyst, database analyst, and systems consultant. Project managers typically manage the field of operations and do relationship management with the company's clients, as well as day-to-day data management. IT managers plan, direct, and coordinate activities for the various ongoing interdependent technology initiatives or systems. IT managers coordinate and prioritize resource use across different projects, departments, and partners that a company has to effectively reach their objectives. Business analysts often solve problems within the accounting and finance systems, procedurally test software to ensure that it fulfills pre-established requirements, and provide user-end support. Database analysts are usually responsible for updating and working with large databases and using financial and actuarial techniques to assess risk and exposure for clients, as well as contributing to client risk analysis presentations for their superiors. Lastly, systems consultants contribute with expertise to business and IT processes and are responsible for formulating system scope and objectives relative to the company's requirements. They act as the leader of a team to provide knowledge, guidance, and research help. Microsoft, HP, Cisco, IBM, and most businesses today offer these types of jobs for entry-level MIS majors. As far as starting salaries go, entry-level jobs for MIS majors may vary a bit. IT managers' median salaries start around $70,000, while project managers start a bit higher, around $80,000. Business analysts' median salaries start around $50,000, while systems consultants are a little lower, maybe around $45,000 or $47,000 a year. Business analysts' median salaries are around $55,000 or $60,000, and lastly, IT development managers start around $50,000.
It is very clear why many people are now turning to MIS as a source of education. Having the basic premises of MIS can give people a push in their career, because all business fields now need employees with a background knowledge of computer use and databasing, which MIS supplies. Many people are turning to MIS as a minor because of what opportunities it brings. It not only diversifies the resume, but it gives one variety. Specifically, in SMEAL, Supply Chain and Information Systems, and a technology minor is the minor many people are now partaking in. By taking this minor, a student gains information not only in MIS, but supply chain as well. We are also very lucky because SMEAL tailors to all the subdivisions MIS offers in terms of career paths. Classes SMEAL offers include Internet Technology, Database Management, Informational Systems Analyst, Information Systems Design, Applications Development, Website Design and Administration, E-Commerce, and E-Business Manufacturing. These classes can help one formulate a career option, such as the ones Jay mentioned prior, and help people develop a specific interest in the MIS field.
If you have any questions, please contact us at sjr5186@psu.edu,
GEM5092@psu.edu,
HWD5020@psu.edu,
JLC5609@psu.edu.